So we're recording. And now we're sharing. Are you there, Martin? There you are.
Yeah, I came up and I pushed the X, made Zoom close for me, so it's okay now.
I didn't hear the first few words that you said, but there's the picture.
Oh, good.
And we're so when I looked at it first thing just now,
Mhm.
I saw it from below, as if I were lying on the ground looking up,
Uh-huh.
looking straight up at this flying saucer it is, and all these other things in flight around it.
Yeah,
And that's why I said, oh, because it just hit me that way.
yeah, that's interesting.
So why don't you share what you're thinking?
Well, that center figure is very prominent, and it's surrounded almost in a circular shape by a lot of those other different colored figures,
Uh-huh.
more violet figures. And so, and that figure is either kind of being taken somewhere or is going somewhere with the aid of those figures, maybe going up into the sky like you saw it, looking down below. And the figures along the bottom of the painting are more grounded and looking up at that figure up in the sky. And it seems to be related to them by the color, similar colors. All those figures on the bottom, and even the one that's immersed in the green area over there on the right seems to be also connected to it. But and that one, may be in the process of moving away from that grounded area. But and that I think that figure in the middle is moving up towards the upper left. See how it looks like it's facing in that direction. And that figure in the upper left corner is where it's being taken to make some kind of a relationship with that figure or that energy. But it's not able to go there on its own. So it has all these figures or powers that are escorting it to go up there, helping it in some way or showing it the direction or the way. So those are the escorts for that figure in that process. So that's what I imagined.
And listening to you, I visualized a coronavirus.
Yeah.
This center one, and all these little ones are droplets from a sample,
Yeah.
taking them over to this victim.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
There's something here too, though. Maybe that's I don't know what that is. It just made me think of droplets and a coronavirus when you say
Uh-huh.
you're escorting, because that's what happens. Because this can't move on its own. The coronavirus can't move.
Oh, I see.
It
Yeah.
doesn't walk, nothing.
Mm.
It's taken by droplets.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
That's weird though. It almost makes me dizzy the way I saw it, as looking up into it that way from
Yeah.
the ground.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they seem to be swirling around.
Yeah. Well, I put myself flat on the ground instead of standing up straight looking at it.
Yeah.
I don't know how that happened, but it did.
Uh-huh.
I'm looking at it straight again. They could be falling or they could be rising. But looking at it from the bottom, they look like they're, what you said, swirling around and guiding this or taking it somewhere.
Yeah.
This could be a protector right here since it's purple.
Yeah. Wonder, kind of going with your description, I'm thinking of that figure in the center as being quarantined or cut off from the things below by that circle.
Mhm.
That's defines a space that it or distance it has to stay away from those other figures down below that it's related to.
Mhm.
So it has to be kept separate.
I like that description better,
Yeah.
more protective.
Uh-huh.
This green in here, green is usually a sign of health.
Uh-huh.
Surrounding this one.
Yeah.
October 29th. Fun watching you do this painting.
Yeah.
All these little pieces here and there.
Yeah. I posted the video of the painting last night. The recording of the painting.
Mhm. Do you want to go anywhere else?
No. So let's stop. Let's stop our discussion. That's good.